What is up, YouTube? It's Vinny here from Roblast Media, and today we're out on the Honda VTR 250 with the aftermarket exhaust installed. It sounds absolutely awesome. And today we're just going to be doing a bit of a motovlog down one of these sort of rural country roads near my place, and just take this little 250 for a bit of a roar. As you can hear, it sounds absolutely brilliant with that new exhaust on, and I'm quickly beginning to like this much more than my KTM RC390. I mean, that bike's quick and all, but this thing sounds extra awesome. So we're just going to be rolling down this road. Hopefully we don't piss off too many households, as it may not sound too loud over the microphone here, but in real life this is a very loud bike. And yeah, I just love downshifting on this thing, you know, just give a little bit of a rev. But yeah, no, it's a load of fun because you can really just, since it's an old bike, it's nice and cheap, you can really give it a bit of a hiding. But you know, it's definitely not too quick, only being a 250, but it still gets the job done, and it makes for a ton of fun through the twisty corners. How rowdy this little thing is. See if we can go for the overtake here. But yeah, this is just like a real long sort of straight country road out the back of Pies Pa in Tauranga. Gears are a bit sticky today. But yeah, no, so at the moment I've just recently bought a new helmet. It's a HJC C70, and yeah, no, it's a much improved over my other helmet. I just had like a baseline sort of LS2 helmet, and oh, that dude was on a race bike. No headlights. But yeah, my new helmet, I'm hoping it's going to improve over the audio a bit, because there's definitely way less wind noise coming through now. And so yeah, let me know in the comments if you've seen my other videos, if this is any improvement over it. I feel like it should be, because I'm getting much less wind in here. It's a very comfortable helmet. It has a built-in drop-down sun visor, things like that. And for the price I paid, it was about $280. I don't know if you can see it in the mirror there. Pretty cool coloring. But yeah, no, it's a great little helmet. And yeah, hopefully it's a good addition to the channel. Makes the videos a bit better quality. Also got a GoPro helmet mount from Chin Mount, specifically designed for this helmet, as my other mount was not going to fit on this one, different shape. But yeah, if you're looking to get into this, I'd recommend going through Chin Mounts, as they custom make the mount for whatever helmet you've got, whether it be an AGV, you know, one of those high-end Rye, Bell, or if it's just a baseline sort of, you know, HJC like this one. You know, they suit every single helmet, so you can get a good mount for, you know, your GoPro. It's a lot more stable than my other one too. My other one was just a strap-on. But yeah, we're just rolling. I don't know if you can tell, but the silencer is definitely not in the exhaust, so we're probably a bit above the legal noise level at the moment. So hopefully people don't get too pissed off. But yeah, how's things been going? I've just been cruising along. Haven't had too much opportunities to make many videos lately. The weather's been a bit rough, but this evening was okay, so I thought I'd, you know, take the old VTR out for a roll and do a bit of a film. It's just one of those days. This is where the road gets interesting. It has this gnarly corner here. Oh my god, this V-twin sounds so cool, man. Oh, listen to that out of the corner. See now. Hey, so it's just a bit of a loop. Very cool. So yeah, we're just going for a bit of a rock to to be honest, a bit of a rug. And yeah, so I hope everyone's been liking the content lately. It's I'm still really enjoying doing this, and hoping to do it more often and get more time to do it, but you know how things are, working full-time, stuff like that. I can only pump out videos sort of, you know, when I do get a moment, but now it's working out well. Cool to see the channel coming along. We finally made 100 subscribers, so that's cool. It's like 113 now. That was a great day for me. I was super stoked with that. 100 subs, that's dope. So yeah, if you're one of the subscribers, thank you very much. It really means a lot, all your guys' input into the channel, the likes, the, you know, just helping it grow, making it what it is. Because this is the old true blue New Zealand motorcycling content here. We don't need no ultra powerful bikes, just some good yarns and some good roads, and you can still have a hell of a lot of fun. So yeah, look at that beautiful, beautiful evening here today. I think it's around 20 past 7 at the moment. Thank God for daylight saving, it's finally here, so I will have a lot more time for the, you know, more motorbike videos, because it's getting to that point where the sun's going to be out till about 8 o'clock, get to like 9 o'clock and still be good enough light for videoing. So yeah, no, stoked with that. I used to have one of those little cars, little Peugeot 306. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, it means a lot, you know. Leave a like, leave a comment. Sorry for the lack of content lately. I'm gonna try and get more videos out if the weather keeps holding out, but yeah, thank you very much for watching. This is Vinny from Road Blast Media. Make sure to show your love. I'll be out with some more infield videos and other stuff soon, so yeah, cheers.